Hey guys, welcome to The Harvest, where we learn, grow, and flourish. My name is Nyeisha, and today I'm going to be giving you tips and tricks on how to grow your YouTube channel, part 2. Hey guys, welcome back to The Harvest. It seemed like you guys really liked my last video on growing your YouTube channel, so here I am giving you more tips and tricks to grow your channel. The very first thing I'm going to tell you guys is that you should be posting multiple times a week. And I say that because when you start posting multiple times a week, it gives your viewers more opportunities to see what it is that you have to offer. So when you're first getting started, it can be pretty hard to even get that first video out there because you want to make sure that it's perfect. And do that. Make sure your video is the best that it can be. Give great high quality videos with great information and good content, and make sure you're posting multiple times a week. Now, I'm currently posting about twice a week on Tuesdays and Fridays. I have new videos coming out. And I'm actually thinking about bumping it up to 3 times a week just because I'd like to get some more growth on my channel. So you should think about doing that, making more videos and more types of videos so that you have a variety of things that your viewers can see from you. The next tip I have for you is to try to create like a workflow or a plan for how you want your videos to come out. Like, for example, at the beginning of my video, you have an intro for me, basically saying hi, what my name is, and what my channel is called, and welcoming you and letting you know what this video is going to be about. And then you have my introduction music. Then you have the beginning of my video, the rest of my video. And at the end of my video, you have an outro where I say goodbye, thank you for watching, ask you to subscribe, and then you have my music and my end card as well. That's the type of thing where your video doesn't have to be in that same order, but try to have some consistency in how your videos flow so your viewers are used to how your channel flows. Try to start your videos with some type of like catchphrase or unique phrase that you use to identify yourself in your videos. One of my favorite YouTube channels is called The Bite Shop, and it's by a woman named Joni Simon who teaches you about food photography. And food photography is something I'm very interested in. I spend a lot of time developing my skills, and she's a great teacher. And in the very first beginning of her shows, all of her channel shows, she says, "What's shaking, bacon?" And that's her catchphrase. And that's something that, I don't know if she came up with it, but something that she uses to identify her videos, and it's unique to her. The beginning of my videos, I say, "Welcome to The Harvest, where we learn, grow, and flourish." That's my thing. That's what I say in all of my videos. So you can think of something, even something that, not as like catchphrasey or like, you say hiya or say what's up or, hey bros or whatever it is you want to say that's unique to you, that personifies your personality, something that makes your viewers feel like, oh yeah, this is familiar to me, and they'll keep coming back because they feel like they know you. When you're making your videos, try to make sure there aren't any distractions in your background or in just around you in general. Like, if you check my background, there's only a few things behind me. There's nothing that's really like super eye-catching. There's things that are personal to me that represent myself and my channel, but there's nothing back there that's like, what is that? Or I'm wondering what that is. Or something that's going to take your attention away from what it is that I'm talking about or what it is that I'm doing. And even if it is, it's like for like a few seconds and it brings it right back to me because it's really not anything that's taking your attention away from what it is I'm talking about. Try to make sure you don't have like a lot of background noise. If you can record somewhere quiet or find, a space for yourself or a time of day for yourself where you can actually record and get things done, I would try to do that, work around, get your time in for yourself to where you can really develop good quality content without a lot of distractions. And don't be distracted yourself. Like, don't be checking your phone or, doing other stuff while you're supposed to be, making a video or doing that on camera. You want to make sure you're giving your audience your full attention. So make sure you're doing that. When you are creating your videos, when you go to make your titles, try to put keywords in your titles. So when you're doing videos, like say you're doing a how to tie your shoe video, put how to in your title, because that is something that is going to pop up a lot. People are always typing in how to do something when they come to YouTube, and then that will draw more people to you because you're using keywords that people are looking for when they're searching your channel or when they're searching YouTube. You're putting keywords in your title that people are typing in and searching already, so it'll make you more relevant in their searches. Try to make sure when you are making titles and descriptions for your videos that there is something that you would search for. That you go on YouTube and type in what the title is that you'd like to type in for your video and see what comes up, see what is popular. Because if your video is titled something that is close to or is something popular, it is more likely to be shown up in the search. Make sure that you are remaining consistent with your videos, with producing videos and the quality that you're producing videos. Now, I know that for a lot of people starting their YouTube channels, including myself, when I got started, my videos were not great. And they're probably still not the best that they could be. But as I grew and as I continued to grow my channel, as other people do this as well, my video quality got better, my audio got better, my transitions got better. Things continued to grow. So make sure you're consistently working on your craft so that you can become the best type of YouTube creator that you can be. Another thing that you want to make sure you're doing is making sure that you have cool thumbnails. Make sure your thumbnails are popping, okay? So when you make your thumbnail, look at it and go, would this be something that attracted me? Is this something that I would see and I would click on this? Because that's really how other people are going to see your thumbnail. That's how they're going to click on your video. They're going to see this picture and they're going to go, is this interesting? Does this even look like it's going to be interesting? And if it doesn't, they're going to scroll past it. But when you see an eye-catching thumbnail that's like, oh, this looks great. They look like they're having fun doing that. This looks fantastic. I want to eat that. They're going to be more likely to click on your thumbnail. So make sure your thumbnails look fantastic. And if you check, even the thumbnail for this video, it's unique to me. It's color popping. The words are big. You can see what's going on. It looks like I'm having a good time. Looks like I had a good time doing this. So it should be pulling more people in to click on the video to watch it. And also, make sure your thumbnail is true to your video. Don't have a thumbnail that says how to become an entrepreneur and you're talking about how to make pancakes. Like, that's going to confuse your viewers and also make them not want to click on your videos, because that's a very simple mistake to make, having the wrong thumbnail. Make sure your thumbnail actually represents what your video is about. Another tip to increase the growth of your YouTube channel is by making longer videos. Now, I don't mean to make longer videos to like drag out how long you're talking about something. What I mean is create quality content that extends longer. Find more things to talk about when you're talking about your topics so that you have a better watch time. Now, it is suggested that when you start making your videos, make them kind of short so that you can draw more people in faster. But as you grow, make longer videos that have more content, more information, that are more informative, that are better for your viewers, and they have more to give, because it's going to make your viewer give you more back as well. More feedback, more comments, more likes, more shares, more subscriptions, more suggestions for other people to watch them, because they've gotten so much from you, they want to give something back, and that's how that works. Another cool way to make sure your channel is growing is by creating video series. So doing like follow-up videos. You could do like, hey, this is my video on how I'm trying to gain weight, and then do a follow-up video of like 2 months later, how I gained weight, what happened, did I gain weight, did I not gain weight? Doing follow-up videos is a really cool way to get people to come back, because they want to see what happened. Well, if they're trying to find out, oh, I want to gain weight, this is how they gain weight, let me try that because this worked for them or this didn't work for them. That's a really cool way to get people to lock into your videos. And doing other types of series videos. So this is my YouTube tips and tricks. This is video 2. This would be number 2 video in my series of videos about YouTube tips and tricks. And if you guys like this video, I will make more of them so I can get you guys more information on how to grow your channel. Okay. When promoting your channel, it's not begging and begging and begging for support or spamming your family members and friends. Promoting your channel is just pretty much putting the information out there so the people know it's available to you. But don't be shy about promoting yourself. Talk about your channel to your friends. Talk about your channel on your social media. Share the fact that it is there and available to them. And I know I talked about this before about when it comes to receiving support from people around you. A lot of times, if you check my entrepreneur video on how I started my business, I talk about this there a lot. A lot of times when you are looking for support when you're doing something, it typically does not come from the people around you. It comes from the people who actually want to see your content, who want to support you, who want to know more about you and what you're doing. They want to give you support in the form of views, in the form of subscriptions, in the form of suggestions to other people, in the form of shares, in the form of likes, in the forms of money, in the forms of contacting you for branding, in the forms of sending you their product for you to try. Those are the people that you want your stuff to get out to. So don't worry about being shy about promoting yourself. You be proud about what you're doing. I have a YouTube channel and it's popping. Go check it out. Leave it at that. And if they do, they do. And if they don't, they don't. Because what ends up happening is once you are up there and you're popping and you're making money and you're grinding, you're really popping off on YouTube or popping off in your business or whatever it is you're doing, then they want to come and support you. They want to see what it is you're doing, because then they want to see how it is you did what you did without their support. Don't worry about it, but don't be shy about promoting yourself either. Make sure you promote your channel, and at least once a day share it on all your social media platforms, so people who didn't get to see, or people who forgot about it, or people who didn't remember, get a chance to see you and see what it is that you're doing today. Don't be afraid to collaborate with your fellow YouTubers, especially new YouTubers. It's a really good idea to link up with people that you have similar backgrounds with, similar channels with. Even if they're not similar, you want to link up with one of your friends who also has a YouTube channel. Do that. That is fun. You get to showcase what type of life you have, what type of things you guys have in common, and you also have a shoulder to lean on because you have access to their viewers and they have access to yours too. You have the opportunity to bring in a whole new type of viewer to your content just by collaborating with someone, and that's a really cool way to have some fun and hyping up your YouTube channel a little bit. Remember to remain consistent. This is my favorite tip. I will probably say this in every YouTube tips and tricks video. Remain consistent. Consistently upload good content. Consistently upload quality content. Consistently release videos. Consistently engage with your viewers. Consistently be there for them to be able to engage with. Make sure that you put your all into this, otherwise you're not going to get what it is that you're wanting back from it. You need to make sure that you are consistent. And that is the best way to get what it is you want from this particular industry, this particular experience, is to show that you're consistent. That's it. Do your thing. Do it regularly and remain consistent. Alright, this one is my last tip, and I think this one is very important. Make sure you are asking your viewers to subscribe to your channel, because I know I've done this and I've seen myself to have to catch myself doing it when I'm watching something I really like. People forget. It's really easy to just go to the next YouTube video, mostly because they play automatically, and forget to subscribe to the channel you're watching, or now you went through so many videos you don't remember. It's okay to ask your viewers to subscribe to your video. And while we're talking about subscribing, make sure you subscribe to this video. If you want to see more content like this, where I tell you tips and tricks to grow your YouTube channel, let me know in the comment section, and I will go ahead and make a part 3 of this video so you can have more ways to grow your channel. Alright guys, if you like this video, please let me know down in the comment section if you'd like to see more tips and tricks on how to grow your YouTube channel. And I really hope you enjoyed this video and are able to get some growth and get your channel all pumped up. Remember to be encouraged, and don't forget to learn, grow, and flourish. Bye guys!